today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Microsoft Teams in 2025. Whether you prefer a dark mode to ease the strain on your eyes or just want a fresh look, customizing your Teams experience is quick and easy. I'll guide you step by step so it's simple to follow along. First, sign into Microsoft Teams. Open your Teams application. On a desktop, you can launch it from the Start menu or Dock, and on a Mac, just open the app and enter your credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, look for the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of the application. These dots give you access to additional options that aren't immediately visible. Click on them and then select Settings from the menu that appears. This will open a new window or pane where you can customize your Teams experience, from notifications to appearance. Now, click on Appearance within the Settings menu. This section is where you can modify how your Teams interface looks and feels. You'll see an option that says Follow Operating System Theme. Selecting this makes Teams automatically match the theme of your device, which is handy if your system changes themes based on the time of day or if you prefer consistency across all your apps. If you want to set a theme specifically in Teams, regardless of your operating system, you can choose Dark Theme. Dark mode is a popular option because it's easier on the eyes, especially in dimly lit environments. Simply click Dark, and the interface will immediately update to reflect your selection. And that's it. You now have the flexibility to tailor Microsoft Teams to your visual preferences, whether that's following your system theme or setting a specific look like dark mode. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Feel free to explore other settings to enhance your Teams experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks in the future.